Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is the place where we learn real English, simple English, the kind you use in daily life. I am your host, Leo, and today I have a wonderful guest. Please welcome Anna.
Hi, Leo, and hello to all our listeners around the world. Before we start, let's relax. Take a deep breath. Learning English should feel good, right?
Exactly, Anna. So, quick question for you. How is life these days?
Oh, it is busy. Work, plans, everything. But lately, I feel something different. There is a warm feeling in the air. People are talking about going home. People are talking about family.
Yes, I feel it too. It is a very special time of year. And that brings us to our topic today, Lunar New Year.
Yes, it is a beautiful holiday. But Leo, many students ask me, Anna, I know what Lunar New Year means in my heart, but how do I explain it in English?
That is a great question. Sometimes we freeze. We don't know the words. So today, we will learn simple ways to talk about it. No big words, just real feelings.
Are you ready to celebrate, Leo?
I am ready. Let's start with the basics. Okay, Anna, first question. Why does the date change every year? Sometimes it is in January, sometimes it is in February. Why?
It's simple, Leo. Most of the world uses the solar calendar. That follows the sun. January, February, March. The dates are always the same.
Right, but Lunar New Year is different.
Yes, it follows the lunar calendar. Lunar means moon. It follows the cycles of the moon.
Ah, I see. The moon cycle is shorter than the sun cycle, so the date shifts.
Exactly. But don't worry. We still use the solar calendar for work and school. The lunar calendar is for culture and tradition.
So, listeners, you can say the date changes because it follows the moon. Simple and clear. Now, let's talk about the feeling. Why is Lunar New Year so important? Is it just a holiday?
No, Leo, it is much more than a holiday. It is about family. It is the time when everyone goes home, even if they live very far away.
Yes, long bus rides, crowded airports, but people still go home because being together is important.
It is also about respect. We show respect to our parents and grandparents. We say thank you to our ancestors.
And it's about a fresh start. We say goodbye to the old year. We welcome the new year. We hope for good luck and happiness.
Exactly. You can say it's a time for family reunions, or it's a fresh start for the new year.
Anna, many people think Lunar New Year is only in one country. Is that true?
No, not at all. It's an international celebration. Many countries celebrate it, but each country has its own style.
Let's talk about Vietnam. What do they call it?
In Vietnam, they call it Tet. It is the biggest holiday of the year. Families clean their houses, they decorate with flowers, and the streets are full of energy.
And the food. In Vietnam, they have Banh Chung. It's a square rice cake. It represents the earth, and it is delicious.
Yes, and people wear traditional clothes called áo dai. It is very beautiful.
Now, what about China?
In China, they call it the Spring Festival. Red is everywhere. Red lanterns, red envelopes. Red brings good luck.
And they eat dumplings. Dumplings look like gold coins, so they represent wealth.
And what about South Korea?
In Korea, it's called Seolol. It's very respectful. People wear hanbok. They bow to their elders to show respect.
And they eat a special soup called tekguk. It means you are 1 year older.
So, listeners, Vietnam, China, Korea. Different names, different food, but the same feeling. Family and hope. But Anna, does it stop in Asia? What about Europe or America?
Oh, it's global now. In cities like San Francisco, London, or Sydney, there are big celebrations.
Really?
Yes, Chinatown in London has huge parades, dragon dances, lion dances, music, food. Everyone joins in.
That is amazing. So English becomes a bridge. We can share our culture with the world.
Here's a real situation. A foreign friend asks me, Leo, do you celebrate Lunar New Year? What should I say?
Keep it simple. You can say, yes, I do. It's very important in my culture.
And if they ask, what do you do?
Speak from your experience. Say, I go home to visit my family. We eat traditional food. We wish each other good luck.
That sounds natural. I don't need difficult words.
No. Talk about feelings. It feels warm. It feels busy. It feels happy. That's enough. This is great. Before we finish, let's review some key words, just to make sure we remember.
Good idea. Word number 1, tradition. These are things we do every year, like special food or cleaning the house.
Word number 2, gratitude. This means saying thank you. We show gratitude to our family.
Word number 3, reunion. This means coming together again. Family reunion.
Word number 4, prosperity. This means success and wealth. We wish for prosperity.
And finally, fresh start. A new beginning.
Wow, Anna, I feel very festive now. I'm ready for the new year.
Me too. I love this time of year. It reminds us that beginnings matter.
So, listeners, it's your turn. We want to hear from you.
Tell us in the comments, do you celebrate Lunar New Year? What is your favorite food? What is your favorite tradition?
Don't worry about perfect grammar. Just share your story. We want to learn about your culture.
Yes, English is just a tool to connect us.
Thank you for joining us today, Anna. And thank you everyone for listening.
Thank you, Leo, and Happy New Year to everyone. Wishing you health, success, and happiness.
See you in the next episode. Goodbye.
Bye-bye.